Hi guys, welcome to week 5, lesson 3. So there is 3 lessons, but I've split them down into smaller lessons so they're a little less stressful. So for this lesson, we're looking at finding probability of a letter occurring in something like a word. So when I say a word, I may mean something like mathematics. And I'm writing it on different cards each and then putting it into a hat to draw out which one will happen. So drawing it out of a hat. So just remember our probability formula. So just remember our little formula that we're going to use throughout this. So for this, we're going to start with an example because it's the easiest way. And we're going to use a letter is chosen from the word probability. Right, so then find the following probabilities. So we've got A, the probability of an L. B, probability of not L. C, probability of a vowel. D, probability of a consonant. E, probability of a vowel or B. And our last one, probability, vowel or consonant. Okay, so those are what we're going to do. So the first thing you should really look at doing is breaking down the word first. So looking at going, okay, how many P's are there? How many R's? How many O's? How many B's? So if you look at this, in the notes I've posted online, it has this broken down. There's not quite enough space here. All right, I've looked and gone, okay, there's 2 B's, 2 I's, and there's pretty much one of everything else happening there. Okay? Then I've also looked and gone, okay, what is a vowel? Remember your vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and then everything else is a consonant. Okay, so as long as you remember that, you're pretty good. So if I look, probability of L. So how many letters are there in probability? It's 11. So our total on the bottom is going to be 11. How many L's did we say? 1. So it's going to be 1 over 11. Okay, so then our next one is the probability of not L, which is that 1 minus probability of L. Okay, if you are someone prone to forgetting, go 11 over 11 minus 1 over 11, which should give you 10 over 11 as your answer. Okay, so probability of a vowel happening in this, so remember, total down the bottom straight up. But like I go 1, 2, 3, 4, so there's 4 vowels. Bam, there's my answer. So probability of a consonant, let's go look, still 11 down the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 11, okay? Then I look, still the total down the bottom of 11. We're going to do probability of a vowel or a B. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so you got 6 over 11. Okay, you could do it like this where you go, we know there's 4 vowels and 2 B's, so you still get 6 over 11. But if you find that one might be better than the counting, go for it. Now the last one is probability of a vowel or a consonant, and that is 11 out of 11, which equals 1. Because that's all the word is made up of, is vowels or consonants. So what I'm going to do now is give you a try yourself and then send that to me. And don't forget to put the little challenge in your work as well and tell me where it is. So try yourself. We're going to look at the word aeroplane. So same instructions as before, but our word is aeroplane. Okay, so we're going to find the probability of R happening, probability not R, because they like to be predictable, probability of a vowel, probability of a consonant, probability of a consonant, or an A. And then last one, probability vowel or consonant. Alright, so send me that and I'll see you guys later.